Everyone, welcome to my channel. Do you want to send an image as in an HD format, a very clear HD format, to any of your WhatsApp contacts? Okay, so here it is. It's an example here. I've just sent this image to one of my customers. You can see that there is this tag, there is this logo over here. You can see the HD sticker on it. You can see it at the corner over there. That's very beautiful. So what it does is that this HD photo, when you zoom in, you will not see that the photo is blurred. It doesn't blur the picture or any work that you are sending in an HD format. So right away, let me just show you how to send this kind of picture in an HD format. So you click on the camera symbol, and then you look for any digital image which you might have designed, or you might have maybe a photo shoot, a picture, whatever. You look for a picture that is almost or majorly about the size of 1080p. Okay, it's not all the pictures that are going to be supporting the HD, because some of them are automatically, as you took them, they are automatically very low. So you have to look for a picture that you want to send to the person in a very clear format. Okay, assuming I did this work and I want to send it as an HD format to my customer. So this is the work. As I did, I have to send it as an HD format so that it will be very clear. So you just have to click on the HD at the top. You could see that there is this HD symbol at the top. Click on it and there is this pop-up. You could see that there is this standard quality and then also the quality, the HD quality. Okay, so choose the HD quality, not the standard. When you choose the standard, you will not be able to have the HD being the quality of the picture being sent to the person. Okay, so while you make sure that the HD is ticked very deeply, as you can see that you have selected it, and then you can just make sure that, okay, I've deselected it. You can just make sure that you click on the send button here, and then you are good to go. So what I want you to do is after sending the picture, kindly verify whether you could see this HD logo at the right corner or at the left corner, okay, of your picture, and that's it. You are good to go. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe.